Welcome to part 3 of Getting to the Moon and Back in Spaceflight Simulator. So in the last episode, we landed on the moon, and I'm in the same spot. And so, what you're going to do, you see the moon. What you're going to do first, if you're going to navigate to the Earth, just like you did the moon, and escaping the moon will be easier than getting out of the Earth. First, you just want to lightly, you don't want to go 100%, but, you just want to do light so you can lift off your landing gear or whatever those things are called. So let me do it real quick. There we go. And then lift up your landing gear, and then you're going to take a hard right no matter where you are. Hopefully you just follow that thing. And I'm in normal speed right now, so it does go pretty fast. You just got to keep going. Turn it off if you need to take some time. Just keep following the trail, and then it's going to get faster and faster. Just get off if you need to zoom out. Then once it gets out of the moon, just keep it on until it collides with the Earth. The line is hitting the Earth. And then just turn it off, and then you won't really need your engines anymore. I didn't take them off right now. I won't take them off right now. But I'll keep them on for a little just in case if I want to readjust. And so now you're basically heading straight for the Earth. So now you just speed it up, but don't speed it up too quick, because when you get closer to Earth, it speeds up just by you getting closer to the Earth's gravity. So you just want to be careful with that. So you don't want to travel too fast. You want to travel at a good speed. When you're about here, you might want to turn it a bit. I think I might adjust a little bit. Come on, turn. There we go. So I'm just adjusting a bit so it's a better angle. Alright. Come on. There we go. So, we gotta probe. Okay, so pretty soon I will let go of my thing. So we will do that. I'm turning around right now, so we don't have to do that when we get close to the Earth. You'll see why. Alright, make sure your tip of the triangle is pointed straight at the line, so you're perfectly on the thing. Alright, speeding it up a bit. You see my other satellite orbiting Earth. I put that around before, just for fun. I'm going to release that. So it's just the heat shield, the capsule, and the parachute. The heat shield is the yellow, the capsule is the gray, and the parachute is the white. You want the heat shield facing the Earth so that it can take all the heat and all the flames and everything when getting to the atmosphere. So you don't want to burn your astronauts and your parachute alive. So it's just that little capsule going back down to Earth. Alright, let's see. I'm getting a bit close. You don't want to speed it up as much because it's going to go fast. Our velocity is 2,000 miles an hour, which is pretty fast. See, I'm in normal speed and it's going that fast. Alright, see, we're starting to burn up, but our heat shield is protecting us. See, on the bottom left, it tells you the heat that you're taking. So you're burning up real quick, and you just want to make sure you pointed at the Earth where the line is going. Alright, basically, so the flames are gone, so you're good to readjust how you want. And you see on the top right, it tells you your height. And that is important for now you can deploy a parachute. Only halfway. You only press it once. If you press it twice, it'll cut the parachute. And you can't deploy it fully yet. So you just wait with your parachute half open. And you can speed it up if you want. See, I'll speed it up here. And we just gotta wait a little bit. Wait a second. Until we are under 500 meters. Takes a little second. Okay, we're almost there. And now I will click on the parachute again, and it is fully deployed. So now we just have to wait till we touch ground. I'm still fully speeding up just to get it quick. All right. And that should be it. You just gotta wait till it touches ground, and that is how you go to the moon and back in Space Flight Simulator. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It took me a little while. And so at the top you see recover. You can press that. Let me see if I can see the building from here. No, I can't. We landed far away from that. Alright, but you can press recover and you can see all your things that you accomplished. And that's it. Bye.